imagine.
On the tennis theme, and by way of contrast in terms of outfits, this is all because of the Laver Cup, which is starting today. Properly, in which it's Europe against the rest of the world. Here are the two team coaches, Bjorn Borg and John McEnroe, and you can see what they've done here. They have got the pair together and taken a picture, and they're contrasting here with 1981. So what do we see that's different? The hair's changed a bit for both of them.
The length of the shorts.
I was drawn to the length of the shorts as well because Bjorn Borg, I think, he's gone pretty much the same.
He's gone similar.
John McEnroe, who did in those days, those that will remember, have exceptionally short shorts, has not gone. Why would he? Why would he want to wear the same length shorts?
I like the shorts.
And also the other thing, of course, is the rackets, because those of a certain age will very well remember the Dunlop Max Ply. I remember here, this is the racket that John McEnroe used to use, and now, of course, they're both holding these newfangled...
But they wouldn't.
Newfangled rackets. No one says newfangled. These are newfangled rackets. I remember when wooden rackets started to go out of business, people going, really? Really?
What wood was used to make tennis rackets?
I think, someone's going to correct me on this, I think it was elm.
OK.
No one said anything, so I don't know if that's true or false. Sometimes you see the people in the ear just say...
They'll have a little look online.
Someone out there will know.
Elm. That's good knowledge, if that's right.
Well, either that or it's nonsense. It's one or the other, really, isn't it?
I'm going to take this away from Earth completely. Do you remember the films Armageddon and Deep Impact? So it was all about an asteroid hurtling towards...
Yes, there was a time when there were a lot of those kind of films.
Yeah, and it was all fine in the end, I think, usually. So there is a genuine thought that this could happen. So next Tuesday, there's going to be a mission, and an asteroid has been picked out, and the asteroid's name is Dimorphos. It's 6.8 million miles away, OK? So let's just put this out there. It's a long way away, and it poses no threat to Earth. But NASA wants to show that it has the ability or the technology to deflect an asteroid, OK? So it's 560 foot wide, OK? So what it's doing is it's going to change its orbit around a bigger asteroid.
How is it going to do that?
It's going to use a craft called the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, snappy name, DART, if you take the letters, and that is going to speed up to 15,000 miles per hour. Right, so get that kind of speed into your head. And then it's going to hit Dimorphos, the asteroid, 12:14 a.m. on Tuesday, and the idea is that it will divert it off track.
It is just exactly like one of those plots from one of those movies, isn't it? We've got to send our best guys up there to hit it and make sure it goes in a different direction.
I think it was Bruce Willis was in one of them. I was looking it up a minute ago.
So is this next week?
Bruce Willis and, I can't remember, Robert Duvall was in the other one.
This real-life event is next week?
Tuesday, next week.
There you go.
But no risk here. It's 6.8 million miles away. Poses no threat. But it's happening.
Worry not.